and everything we're buying in the stores is all made in China. So what does it actually cost to go to a factory and get something made for yourself? And I sold 2 of the 3 saunas at full retail price at a garage sale. So I'm like, man, there's got to be a market in this if people are willing to pay top dollar at a garage sale. I took my whole life savings. I gambled. I was into it for over $50,000. You know, you get ripped off by a few different suppliers, so you learn some different ways to protect yourself. I was spending in the neighborhood of about $6,000 a month in PPC ads. Today, my website generates about 35,000 organic visitors every month.
Don't mess with the Google gods.
Thank you for watching and listening to these clips. To watch or listen to the full episode, check the channel or go to my website, berniechats.com. It's either there waiting for you or it'll be there soon. Of course, you could subscribe to be notified. I'd appreciate that. Thanks very much. Talk to you soon.